Hello again, here we go. Now figuring out the number of studs using on centers. So whenever you want to figure out the constant for the on centers, all you have to do is find the number 12, where there's 12 inches in a foot, and then dividing that number by the on centers that you'll be using. For example, if I have a 16 inches on center, and I want to find out what the constant for on centers are, is like I mentioned, the 12 divided by 16, which equals 0.75. And I'll go ahead and illustrate that on a calculator so that you can see it. 12 divided by 16 inches equals 0.75. So that's where I'm using that constant from to solve for the on-center constant, which is equals the constant. So anytime you want to figure out the number of studs, all you have to do is use these constants to figure out the numbers, which should come out to the same answer. So let's try using that 30-foot wall again. And now I want to find out how many studs, so I just do 30 times 0.75. And like I said, I'm just gonna the 30 times 0.75 equals 22.5. Or 23 plus 1, 24. So 24 studs total. And that's it.